When Hunza Imam first visited the region in 1960, Hunza's people remained isolated, deprived, and disconnected. The northern areas had, in the space of the subsequent 4 decades, been completely reinvigorated. Imamate agencies took an integrative approach, helping people, whatever their tariqah or tradition of Islam, with schools, health centers, water supply, sanitation, and livelihoods. Masjids, imam bargahs, and centuries-old forts were restored. Communities became self-reliant. Hunza Imam has often explained the key to self-reliance. Both my grandfather, Sir Sultan Muhammad Shah Aga Khan, who created the basic structure of the Aga Khan institutions, and I myself, in building on that structure, have been deeply aware that education is the key to such widely ranging endeavors as creating a modern economy, as adapting the system of Islamic jurisprudence to present-day conditions, as improving the role and status of women in society, as creating a physical environment of buildings which are sympathetic to Islamic culture and tradition. Education is the key to all this and more. Following his Diamond Jubilee, Maulana Sultan Muhammad Shah continued a pattern begun in the early 1900s and established a network of Diamond Jubilee or DJ school imams row. It looks like the very gateway to paradise. The tiny principality of Hunza in the mountains of northern Pakistan.